This channel does not promote any violent, harmful, or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for an educational purpose only.
Yes.
But here, my lord, I am appearing for the respondent number
But
4 and 5.
that matter where, my lord, on 10th February, your lordship was
Is any
placed in-
correction required?
No. Correction, my lord. We have mentioned matter on 17th. It was appeared.
No, in the list it is mentioned correction. This is the reason I was.
My
But I am
application is
filing exception.
also listed, my lord.
Your application is listed, it will be taken up.
But what has happened? They filed an application for recalling against your lordship's order dated 10th February, whereby your lordship imposed costs of 10,000 upon the school authority. Twice, my lord, they failed to file the report, my lord, before your lordship's, my lord. And the recalling application has no ground at all. Recalling the
My lord,
Where is
my application, I have to submit to your lordship.
I have the
He is
copy.
submitting.
I have the copy. That's why I am submitting.
What time you are submitting?
Can one?
But the crux of the matter is that petitioner is not getting.
List, the matter is not there in the list
Lord,
also.
kindly
Can
take
is not
up my
appearing in the
matter.
list.
Can is there? Can is appearing. Can is
वो अच्छे- वो अच्छा है, एकदम
That is
smart.
appearing in the list, my lord. This is the application I have filed before lordship. Last
Kindly
occasion
take it
I
up.
was absent, my lord. I have been suffering from throat infection.
No, it's all right. You get well.
Your lordship
Kindly
made
take up
the
the
observation,
application.
the school authority have made represented by 5 advocates.
Yes.
That is not the case.
No, I can see names of 5 advocates.
If anybody is appearing with me, that name is given in a different
Chamber
books.
jurors.
They are associated with me.
What does this mean? They will not have any role in the matter.
My
If
lord,
this is the learning that you are spreading to your juniors, then I'm sorry to say.
my lord, report was not given by the school authority.
Let the school pay cost.
Teacher in charge was suffering
Secretary.
from secretary.
Yes, yes.
Teachers. That I have annexed the medical report.
All right.
But kindly consider this, that your losses one day failure by my part, your losses imposed cost 10,000.
Yes.
But very unfortunate, my
And
lord.
it is the school. It is not an individual.
But year after year, the matter is pending before this court.
Yes. Will you please make submission on merits?
But I am submitting merits.
Yes, please submit. Where is the report?
Page 8, my lord.
Page 8 of what?
Application.
Where is the report?
Report, my lord, I am submitting. That is the
Served already.
and start to all this part.
Yes. What does the report say?
Report is the
Application টা আমি নিতে পারবো।
unapproved teachers working, that is contractor labor, contractor teachers, and the 11 approved teachers in the school, 11.
হুম।
And that unapproved teacher, school authority, some of the students have left the school. So that school authority is failing to pay the salary. My lord,
See, you have said in paragraph number 4 that the school is a de-getting school
But
and the petitioners are not approved
yes.
and working for gain on contract basis and getting their salary from the school fund. The roll strength of the school is 219.
Nine.
219 students in the school.
Yes,
For in class.
Monthly tuition fee.
class 8, 9, 10.
Only 8, 9.
And then less,
Have you mentioned that in 8, 9, 10? You have mentioned the roll strength in the school.
that is I have annexed.
Page 5. Page-
Your Averment does not say so.
Secondary section I have mentioned.
That
Second.
presently the roll strength of the said school in the secondary section
Yes.
is 219.
Yes.
That the
Section.
monthly tuition fees of the school vary between rupees 950 to rupees 1100. Photocopies of the relevant records pertaining to such roll strength and tuition fees are annexed here too and collectively marked with the letter R1.
For a secondary section, 219 students. Environment is
Secondary section is 290.
Do you have students in the upper primary section?
Yes.
That is not controlling by this school authority.
Yeah.
That the
That I have not annexed because this.
That I have
ordinance
not
was
annexed.
secondary.
that is in the secondary section.
What is the position with the upper primary section?
That is not.
Then I have to take instruction.
Then another take two instructions of that.
Why will you take?
I have considered the secondary
Why?
Because this teacher is in
Why?
secondary section.
because this teacher is engaged in the secondary section.
Does the order restrict you to disclose information only with secondary and the upper primary?
No,
And 20 plus 5
Well, kindly consider my exception.
that
law.
is
plus 5 to 12.
I
annex it.
12. My lord, kindly see this.
Page 6
Page 6.
plus 5 to 12. The strength and the tuition fees. Page 6. Strength of students.
Even my lord,
There are 11 unapproved teaching staff in the school who are working on contractual basis and their salaries are paid from the school exchequer. This 11 unapproved staff teaches only 219 students.
yes, my lord. All
What do you
are
mean to
there
say?
in the school.
Approved teachers of the entire school.
And approved school teachers in the entire school. So, my lord, somebody is
You have got 219 students in
Yes.
the, and there are 11 teachers. 11 teachers for 209.
11 unapproved teachers.
Right. Now, when you speak about the teachers, you speak about the whole school. And when you speak about the students, you speak about only 2 classes. What is the stand of the school? I'm going to impose a heavy cost.
Because this
Petitioners.
You are definitely concealing information.
the secondary education is
The court is not concerned.
kindly see this. Malad, the teacher in charge, but your losses are taken into consideration in the order sheet that school authority represented 5 advocates. Malad, school authority even not coming, not taking any instruction from. Malad, I want.
Do not. Why are you defending? Why are you defending a client who is not?
I want to release this because
It's your. This is a
I have
profession.
told this.
You are an independent professional. You have got the choice of choosing who you will defend and who you will not. If your client is not cooperating, don't appear.
With the prayer, but that cost may not be imposed on my ground because I was in.
It was not your ground. It was on the
Order
school's
sheet was
ground.
there.
It was on the school's
Lordship.
ground.
Ask my junior that the school has 5 advocates have been engaged, and you are seeking time. But there is very unfortunate matter. I never think
Sir,
about this.
please, if you want to contest the matter, contest on merits. What you have got to say, if you say you will contest, fine. If you say you will leave the brief, it is up to you. Choice is yours. Now the court is going to pass its order. You make your submission, the court will pass order.
Petition.
Mother, kindly
Well, kindly consider my
take the
exception.
application, the consideration of the application.
No, application will remain. I'll see what is to be done.
Cost will remain.
Cost will remain. For the time being, the cost will remain. And I'll see what is to be done.
Well, kindly consider my
That is
exception.
the writ petition is not maintainable.
Exception by the petitioner
The writ
To the
petition is the contract
report
of labor.
by the respondent number 4 and 5.
Yes.
Kindly
Teacher,
kindly come to paragraph 5.
Petition is not
Yes.
maintained.
There are 13 approved teachers, 12 assistant teacher and 1 teacher TIC.
13 approved teachers.
Approved teachers. And now kindly come to
12 assistant teacher and 1 teacher in
But,
charge.
yes,
That means 13.
absolutely. And kindly come to paragraph 10. I will answer everything. Paragraph 10.
Paragraph 10.
Regarding
yes.
strength of the student strength.
Hmm.
I state that the school has no financial distress at all, and as because the school has 530 student strength up to secondary section.
Where are you? All right,
Paragraph 10.
state.
Full
Uh-huh.
portion. And now
Yes.
kindly come to annexure 6 once. Annexure 6. Page 6. Annexure E1. What
Yes.
fashion the school is going on. Kindly see the fee structure. Admission fees they are taking for class 1, 4,900 in the month of January. Now part payment on July to 2026. This is current. Now kindly come to the
Is
next
it
page.
the same school where you
Yes,
were
yes,
teaching?
yes, yes. And we are not getting our salary since March 2023. Now kindly come to page 7.
Yes.
This is the fee structure.
Hmm.
Monthly fee structure of the standard of the classification of classes is there.
Yes.
And then kindly come to page 8.
School,
Hmm.
Payment received tuition fees.
the payment received fees and this is the debit.
Of certain words of the school. That shows, my lord, that the school is not school has no financial distress. Intentionally, they are depriving the petitioner from getting their salary.
Where is the state?
Yes, I have already submitted. Your lordship is pleased to direct to file so cause.
Your report is here.
Yes, my lord. Last
What does the report say? What does the report say? Did you get a copy of the report of the state?
Yes.
Yes, I
Kindly
got-
come to paragraph 13. The strength
13.
is in terms of our paragraph 10. They certify the strength of the student.
Total enrollment is 530. Secondary and higher secondary. 256 in the normal section.
And now they are saying 18th approved teacher.
80 number of approved teachers are working in the normal section out of 4.
Paragraph 49.
Yes.
There no further vacancy exists.
No, that is separate.
Oh.
No, further vacancy is different.
The status of the schools.
Yes, I want to see how this school is functioning.
The 7 I have already disputed.
Yes. Since when are you not getting your salary?
Since 2011, we are getting deficit salary. Our salary was 23,000. We got 12,000 around. Now, since April 2023, no salary has been.
No salary. Why are you working? Without
We are serving the school
why? For what good reason? Without being paid?
because when they discharged, now they disbursing salary of January 2021 in the month of June 2025. Kindly see the bank statement shows that. Kindly see page 59. Page 59 of the writ petition.
Yes, 59. Salary for 2021.
Kindly see the column 28 September 2023 date.
Salary for 2021.
December.
You're
It is
getting in
disbursed
September.
after 2 years. Now the last column 24th November 2023. The salary of January 2022. That fashion they are disbursing the amount.
If you are not getting your salary, you should leave the school and look for some other schools. Why work in a school?
The age of the petitioner now 56, 57 probably. And my repeated representation is there.
No, representation is all right. How does the school propose to disburse the salary of the petitioner? How many are there?
2.
Petitioners. You have made them work. Can you direct or extract work service from a person without paying?
Not at all. But my submission is that
Trying to disburse
that
their
we are
salary.
trying to disburse, but today my submission is this writ petition is not maintainable.
All right.
Because of that, your lordship must assess costs against the writ petition.
Yes.
That is my submission.
All right. What is the fee structure which has been annexed to the report? Page 6 of the report of the exception filed
By the petitioners.
to the report of the respondent numbers 4 and 5.
Six.
4,900. 4,250 admission fees.
It's just the advertisement. It's the advertisement.
Kindly see paragraph 4 once. Until unless paid.
Petitioner, exception 22.
Yes.
Kindly see that names of the successful candidate will not be entered in the attendance register unless they pay the school fees. Tuition fees.
That is
For
the
1 month
notice
session
chart
fees.
for admission.
Yes. That
is
means
the
you are
amendment fee
collecting
notice.
this much of money from the students and now you say you do not have money to pay the teacher and you are extracting services.
Can your lordship kindly see the report, page 6,
No, page 6. No.
page 6, and then next page 8,
Cash, daily cash summary.
daily cash amount. Daily summary.
Where is the money going? The money that you are collecting, where is the money going?
Yeah, that is the separate question. If
Pay the teachers.
this petitioner is thinking so that on that point he or she not getting the money from the salary, then he may go to the other cases, file the other cases for corruption. And what is corruption is everywhere.
And so
That-
you will
yeah.
promote it. And that is the reason you will promote corruption.
That is the reason. I am not answerable. I am not giving the answer. Only giving the answer today before your lordships. Then I shall take the another instruction stating all these things to the teacher in charge and headmaster. There is no headmaster. The teacher in charge. If that be so, that is the case of corruption. But by filing this writ petition, he is thinking so.
You
that
are collecting money from the students and not paying salary to the teachers.
What money I have collecting, I have annexed.
Daily cash.
This is your document. This is a notice of your school. It is, do you deny that this is not a notice of your school? This is your school's document.
But nobody is
That is
paying.
not collecting. On the basis of that notice, some students are not coming, some students left the school.
Some are not paying.
So
This is,
not some students are not
Please
paying
come.
the fees. Not paying
Acha.
fees.
um,
In this way, school will not run ultimately in future.
a report. A report in the form of affidavit by the respondent numbers 4 and 5. And the exception thereto filed by the petitioner in court today be written with the records. Acha. Report, exception by the petitioners to the report of the DI filed in court is also written with the records. Show cause by the ADI. Is taken on record. An application has been filed by the school seeking recalling and / or modification of the order dated 10th February 2026 passed by the court.
Kindly consider paragraph number 12 of the application. Page 5. No ground.
No ground, then what is that? See, what are these paragraphs? No grounds. What are the annexures and what are the following? These huge.
In the application, the applicant has mentioned that the matter was taken up for consideration by the court on 9th February 20. You mentioned 9th. See your application, paragraph numbers 3, paragraph numbers 4.
Error mentioning. Typographical error.
That is subsequently
Typographical.
error. 10th February.
Achha. On 9th February 2026. ওরা তো বলেছে taken up on 9th February 2026. আচ্ছা তার আগে লিখুন 19শে জানুয়ারি। 19শে জানুয়ারি। আচ্ছা এটার আগে একটু লিখুন that in paragraph number 2, 3 of the application, the applicant has mentioned that order was passed by the court on 19th of January 2026, directing the applicant to file a report in the form of affidavit. And the matter was thereafter taken up for consideration by the court on 9th February 2026. Stop. From the records of the instant case, no order on 9th February 2026 is found. Stop. The court passed order on 10th of February 2026. Stop. The applicant has stated in paragraph number 5 that the court was pleased to impose cost of rupees 10,000. Stop. The learned senior counsel representing the applicant was unable to attend the court due to medical exigency. Stop. The applicants did not appoint 5 learned advocates to represent the case, and they are the chamber junior counsels assisting the learned senior counsel of the applicants. Stop. From records, it appears that a report was directed to be filed by the school way back on 8th of December 2025. Stop.
এই ডিসেম্বর অর্ডারটা পাওয়া অর্ডারটা পাওয়া
8 ডিসেম্বর হবে না।
এই ডিসেম্বরে
না, এটা হবে না। 8 ডিসেম্বর হবে না। Portion disclosure number of application.
not directed to the file. আমাদের এক সাইডে মিস করেছে।
This is the dates report. 19th January, school.
Yeah,
আচ্ছা,
আমাদের
19th January, তারপর হচ্ছে 10th of February.
অন্যদিন
The report also mentions, now the applicant has also mentioned that the respondent number 4 was suffering from health issues. And as soon as the said respondent recovered, he contacted his lawyer and handed over the report on 10th February 2026. For which the report could not be affirmed on 9th February 2026 when the writ petition was taken up for hearing. Stop.
May I take leave? Please.
The aforesaid submission in averment in paragraph 10 of the application appears to be absolutely incorrect, as the court did not take up the matter for hearing on the 9th of February 2026 as mentioned in the said paragraph. Stop. As the application appears to be contrary to the record, contrary to the records, accordingly, the said application cannot be allowed. Stop. The application stands dismissed. Stop. The matter is fixed for further hearing. Act a line. The learned advocate representing the school raises an issue with regard to the maintainability of the writ petition. Stop. The matter is fixed for hearing on 20th of March 2026. Yes, next.
20th of March. 20th of March.